Hi everyone, Sandy here from Chinita Food and Travel. On today's episode I'm going to show you guys how to make a delicious pasta with a fantastic tomato Parmesan sauce. We are going to need fresh basil, Parmesan rinds, carrots, mozzarella fresco, butter, garlic, very ripe tomatoes, pasta from the Italian Gragnano region, and sea salt. We're going to get our tomatoes, cut across on the bottom, and put them in the boiling water. Peel and remove the seeds from each tomato to avoid the sauce taking on a bitter taste. I know this is time consuming, but believe me, this is one of the most important steps in the sauce. Blend your tomatoes until they become a thick puree consistency. So we're going to add our tomato puree into our saucepan. Add your carrots. The carrots add a sweetness to our sauce, so that we don't have to add sugar to balance out the acidity of the tomatoes. We're going to add our Parmesan rinds, our basil, garlic, and season. Add some freshly cracked pepper as well. So we're going to let this simmer. The sauce has been simmering for an hour. At this point we want to remove the carrots, the garlic, the Parmesan rinds, and the basil. Add 1/3 of a stick of butter. Add 2 cloves of grated garlic. Now these 2 steps that I've just done, adding the garlic, adding the butter, really take this sauce to another level. The butter gives it a velvety creaminess, a richness, and of course the strong garlic flavor. Oh, I love it. Now if you don't really like garlic, if you don't like it as a very present flavor in this salsa, you don't have to add the grated garlic at this point. And we're going to let it simmer for a little longer. Pasta from the Italian Gragnano region is considered the best dried pasta in the world. Pasta di Gragnano is a nutrient-rich, artisanal, PGO protected geographical indication product, which means the pasta is produced according to strict criteria. Its characteristic rough surface is obtained by pushing the dough through bronze dies. The pasta must be made with high-protein durum wheat, calcium-poor water from the Gragnano region, and it must be dried at a low temperature. It is the most delicious pasta and it maintains its al dente structure even when cooked. Add the pasta to a pot of salted boiling water. And once the pasta is cooked and al dente, add it to the sauce. I like to serve my pasta with a slice of mozzarella in between the pasta. I add more sauce, then I grate on some Parmesan, and obviously you have to put some fresh basil on. I'm so excited, everyone. No wonder this pasta is considered the best dried pasta in the world. It's absolutely incredible. It has a really great bite to it. And despite, it having been sitting here for a little while because, I was taking photos and video, it conserves a great bite. It has that natural al dente texture to it. The sauce, it's hard work. You have to peel the tomatoes, seed them, and I had little tiny tomatoes, so it took me a while. But the sauce is sweet, not only from the carrots, but the tomatoes, because they're so ripe. The sweetness of the sauce, it's incredible. Now, pairing it with the Grana Padano Parmesan and the basil, it's just, there's, things going on in my mouth. I'm just like, this is so delicious. Guys, I know that this is time consuming. It's not a dish that you would make every day, but it is absolutely delicious. So try it at home. If you can get pasta from the Gragnano region, do buy it and you'll see the difference. You'll never want to eat any other type of pasta again. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Until next time, Chinita out.